There's this big AI conference going on right now in Paris, and the big discussion is, is AI good or is it evil? And it's all the founders of AI and all of these bigwigs and different people that are talking about this idea. But one person brought up the idea of AI is more like a spoon than a knife when it comes to its intent. And if you think about it, a spoon, could be harmful. You could, of course, dish someone some poison, but it's not really thought of as a harmful tool. Whereas a knife can really be dangerous. You could stab me with it and I could get hurt and I could get cut. And so it's all about kind of the intent. Well, because AI was created in certain ways, a lot of the founders of AI are now talking about how it's more like a spoon than it is a knife. And what does that mean? Well, it means that its intent is not necessarily to be used for evil. Sure, you could use a spoon in harmful ways, but it's not likely its intent, so it's not going to be as harmful. And so they're trying to put some guidelines around this. And how does this relate to your business? Well, think about, the idea of the intent and being able to use AI to really further your business. Hope this helps you. Thanks.